CleverFox Inventory and Sales Logbook combines premium quality materials and attention to detail to ensure it is extra durable and easy to use. Specifically designed for small business owners, it has everything you need to track your business operations effectively all year round. This logbook comes in A5 format and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. The hardcover is made of heavy-duty vegan leather to ensure it stands the test of time. It features an elastic band, a pen holder, a ribbon bookmark, thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper, and an expandable pocket for checks, receipts, and other loose papers at the back. We've also included a detailed user guide to ensure you get the most out of using your inventory and sales log. There are 129 pages in this book, with 30 entry lines on each page, so you can add up to 1,860 entries total. Each entry provides plenty of space to record the item number or SKU, item description, category, and any extra notes. The right page allows you to track your inventory, including purchases, sales, and balance for each item, and plan any reorders you need to make. You can also add the date, location, counted by, and sheet number on the top of each spread. We chose this specific layout to ensure you can adapt your logbook to your unique needs, making it equally suitable for running an online, consignment, home-based, or in-store business. Finally, at the back of the book, you will find 3 extra dotted pages for any extra notes or calculations you need to make. We hope this inventory and sales logbook becomes a reliable aid in your day-to-day work life, helping you streamline your operations and keep your inventory organized. CleverFox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.